it's Q15 here, and today we're here in London for the Gumball 3000. This is going to be a two-part vlog today. The first part is going to be in London, doing my classic supercar tour of London, and the second part is going to be at the Gumball 3000, where it's starting here in London, heading all the way to Tokyo. So firstly, just to show, I'm here at Maserati HRN in London. I'm not going to go in there just because Lamborghini is just over there, but yeah, there's just a couple of Maseratis. We've got a Levante, we've got a Ghibli, we've got a couple of Gran Turismos, but that's pretty much it. But yeah, let's go to HRN Lamborghini. Right, so guys, I'm at Harrods now, and because it's a bit early there isn't much to see here. Of course I'm at Harrods, and there's a Ferrari California over here in slate grey, but apart from that actually there isn't that much. So let's go over to McLaren London now. Right, so guys, we're outside McLaren London here with the prestigious F1 car right up there, but we have a McLaren 720S. We have a McLaren 12C, we have a 570S right over there, and we have, what's that going? Oh no, we have a 540C right over there in the blue, and then right over here in Orion purple we have a 570S Spider. That's really cool. That 570S Spider in Orion purple, just like Tim's 675LT Spider. That's really cool. But yeah, now let's go to Park Tower in Knightsbridge. Right, so guys, we're here at Park Tower Hotel in the car park, and we're here with a Ferrari F12 Berlinetta. This is really, really nice. Of course, designed by Pininfarina. And yeah, it's absolutely beautiful here, and kind of beige polished. Of course, there is no engine bay because the engine in this car is actually in the front. It's front engined. If we come around here, an absolutely beautiful car. It was actually bought at HRN, which is cool. But yeah, if we have a look at the inside, it's got a cream interior with carbon fibre insets. But yeah, we'll get some cinematics of this car, and then we'll head over to Ferrari Atelier. So I've been to it before. If you've watched one of my in one of my London vlogs, you would have seen the Ferrari showroom. So yeah, let's head over there now. But firstly, onto the cinematics of the Ferrari F12 Berlinetta. So guys, now we're at a hotel just down the road from the Ferrari showroom, but if I have a look, so we've got Rolls Royce race, I believe, Then we've got a Porsche 911 GT2 RS, two of them, each in matching specs apart from the colour, one in red and one in white, but they both have the same carbon fibre inlets on the outside and the inside. Of course, the GT2 RS has a carbon fibre roll cage inside, but this isn't all, because even though two GT2 RSs and a Rolls Royce is nice, what's just down this road is incredible. Because if we go down here, you might be able to see it now, we have a Mercedes McLaren SLR 722 Special Edition Roadster. This is absolutely unbelievable. I've never seen one of these. The last time, the Wesley Rolls Royce just coming by here. But if we actually look at this car, I've never seen a 722 edition, and the only other time I've seen a Mercedes McLaren SLR is actually on Highway 1 in California, and it was driving down there and I got a quick peek at it, and then it parked in a car park just down the road and I got to take a picture. And that was probably my first ever proper supercar that I spotted. Just a quick story there. But if we look at this car, the 722 edition is so rare and so expensive. But if we have a look in there, it's owned by someone in Dubai, so it's been brought over here in the Ramadan rush. But if we have a look, this is literally, I'm gobsmacked right now. I never thought I'd see one of these cars, let alone on Gumball Day. But yeah, if we look, differences between the normal SLR and the 722S edition is the carbon fibre front splitter, and we've got little vents here, and of course we've got the 722S badging, and of course it's a roadster as well. But all of this actually inside here is carbon fibre as well, which is really, really, really cool. But yeah, I'll have some cinematics to this car. But yeah, now let's head all the way over there to Ferrari Atelier. Still don't know how to say it. I'll learn by the end of today. But look at this, absolutely incredible. Now we're at the Ferrari showroom, and we're here with a Ferrari 488 GTB in matte silver. Of course, the 488's got the 4.8 litre V8. This can go over 330 km per hour and goes 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. Completely unbelievable. And then if we turn around, we've actually got the Ferrari 488 GT3. This is the race car. This is the 488 Challenge, which can be purchased but is not road legal and can only be used at Ferrari events on the track. So you buy it and then Ferrari pretty much have it until they allow you to use it. But look at that massive carbon fibre diffuser. Lots of bits on this car are carbon fibre polished, and of course carbon fibre matte here. This is so cool. Seeing all the curves and edges on the car. We've got the 488 Challenge badging in there, and of course the race harnesses. And trust me, if something went wrong on this car, we crashed it in a race, that would be a pretty hefty bill to fix it. So yeah, we're about to go to the Wesley, but firstly, let's get some cinematics of the Ferrari 488 GTB and the Ferrari 488 Challenge. But we're just walking past the Landsborough Hotel, and there was a Huracan Performante spider, which I thought was pretty cool. And I might as well take a picture with matching calipers, verde green. Yeah, it's really cool, the marble effect on the diffuser. Yeah, I'm not going to get any cinematics because we're about to go to the Dorchester. But yeah, I thought I'd just drop in and say, well, that's pretty cool. Of course, at the Landsborough Hotel. So yeah, let's go to Dorchester. So now we are here at the Dorchester, and of course there is supercars and hypercars here. So if we look, firstly we've got a Lamborghini Aventador SV Roadster in Blanc White, I believe it's called. Then we have two Bentley Bentegas, one with a Mansory kit on it, I believe, and then one just standard. We then have a Range Rover SVR, and then we have a Ferrari 488 Spider in this sort of, it's not iridescent, but it's kind of like matte silver, which actually looks really, really nice. Don't know what that was, but it's here with the red interior with carbon fibre accents in. That's really, really nice. But if we come back over to this Aventador SV Roadster, I'm sorry, it's not. This one's not upgraded. It's just got blacked out parts. This bit's got silvered out parts. But this has got blacked out wheels and a black roof, actually, which looks really, really nice. But if we have a look at this, of course, I'm going to be doing cinematics. But wow, it's actually one of the better setups of the Dorchester. But yeah. Hopefully, if they let us in, we are going to be going to the Park Lane car park, which at Park Tower Hotel, one of the people standing there recommended it to me. So apparently there's rows and rows of supercars. So I'll be going there after here. But yeah, let's get some cinematics of these supercars and hypercars. So guys, we are here at the Park Lane car park, and as you can tell, I'm outside. I didn't realise, but this is actually the centre of Poshwash, but you need a car parking ticket, or what you needed to park your car in there to get there, which is unfortunate because there would have been tons of supercars there. But yeah, unfortunately we can't get in there. So now we're gonna go over to Berkeley Square. So yeah, let's go over there. Right, so guys, we're just walking into Berkeley Square, and I spotted a Ferrari 812 Superfast, which is really, really cool. With a nice red interior. And if we come down here, there's actually a Lamborghini Huracan Performante in slate grey, which is quite cool, with the Italian stripe down here. That's really cool. But just behind me, if you see, is actually the Egyptian embassy, so I was hesitant on going down here. But if I come down to this 812 Superfast again, so cool. Look at that. I've only seen, like, I think 2 812 Superfasts in my life. I'm about to see another one at Gumball. But yeah, let's go to Berkeley Square. But firstly, let's go on to cinematics. it's just started up out there. If you have a look out there. But yeah, so firstly, let's go to the Wraith Black badge. It's here in the black and the blue accents inside. It's really, really nice. We actually come around here. If you have a look, it's really, really nice in here. And then if we go to this car, there's another Wraith Black badge. Of course with the black. Flying lady. Got the cream interior with the black accent as well. Then got a Ghost Series 2. With the cream interior again with the black accents as well. If we come around the back here, got the design studio here. If we come around. And if we come to here, we have a Wraith. Which is quite nice. And we have a Dawn here as well. It's basically a Wraith convertible with some light changes. There's a massive streak going down here. It's got the tan interior, which is if I buy a Rolls Royce, it's the spec that I'd have. Yeah, now let's go to Bugatti, but first let's get some cinematics on all of these cars. So guys, this is where we're going to end the vlog part 1. The next part is going to be the Gumball part, vlog part 2. But to end it here, firstly, we've got a Ferrari coming down here, which is pretty cool. California T. But actually, right in here, we've got a Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport Vitesse. I've already seen this car before, but it's still so cool to see in here. I've actually been in the showrooms to have a look at it, but yeah, it's actually only open Monday to Friday by appointment. But yeah, just to finish the vlog off here with a Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport Vitesse. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe for fortnightly content. Covent 15.